If you want to maintain your privacy while using Temu, hiding your online status can be a helpful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Locate the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings options. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the settings until you find the Privacy or Account Settings section. This is where you can manage your visibility options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for an option related to online status or visibility. Toggle a setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings menu and continue using the app with your new privacy settings. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Temu, allowing for a more private experience.